A big trend in 2024, and you may even see it yourself scrolling through social media, is AI models or AI. What actually is AI model? Well, the model that looks like a real female or even male, if you like, but it's completely AI generated through AI generation software. How does this actually translate to getting money? Because, well, that's why you start a business, right? So, how you monetize AI models is actually through two routes. So, you can either be an actual AI influencer, so that would be including doing brand deals and making money off ad revenue from social media platforms, anything like this. And you can also make your AI character a spicy creator. Now, this would mean monetizing it through OnlyFans, FanView, whatever kind of platform that you actually want to sell this new content on. And yeah, it's basically as simple as keeping customers happy, selling them new content, and satisfying them that way. And that is a big way to monetize AI models as well.
So you can use AI models to make money online. But what happens if you're already a model and you need to make money as well? Well, that's where hybrid models come in. This is where you use AI software to generate content and then put your own adapted features onto it. What I mean is it could be an AI body and you can put your face onto the image, or you can use your own body and put an AI face onto the video or the image, etc. So it depends on how you want to do it, but AI model hybrids is also very significant in the space and is a great way to make money if you are already a model. So to say that AI is here to take over is wrong. It's here to participate and expand. There's an immense possibility when it comes to your AI. You can either be the hybrid or the full AI. Either or, you're getting 100% profit margins unless you bring other people on board to help your workload. And all you need to do is learn how to type in some prompts to generate images and understand the market and marketing within the OFM or within the influencer space. Very, very easy in comparison to what a normal model or influencer would actually have to do. You can make hours, weeks, and months worth of content within a few hours to be able to publicize that online and to get money. This is what's favored in 2024, and it is going to be the future of marketing. It is already making money online. As you can probably tell, me and Kyle both do this online, and obviously we are making money from this process. So it's a proven concept as well. We teach many other people how to do this online. So if you are interested in that, obviously you know where to go. Check out our page, look at some of our marketing on AI influencers, because it is quite important to understand this in the future, especially if you're looking to evolve within social media marketing or any form of work with influencers or towards influencers online.